Are you a Facebook marketer looking for a comprehensive solution to manage your campaigns, ads, and performance all in one place? Look no further. Introducing our ultimate Notion template for Facebook ads, designed to streamline your marketing efforts and maximize your results. Let's dive into what this template has to offer. First, we have the campaigns database. Track your objectives, audience, status, and ads with ease. No more messy spreadsheets or scattered notes. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. Next, our ads database. Keep tabs on all your ad formats, headlines, and impressions in one centralized location. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to efficiency. Monitor your creative performance with detailed metrics like CPM, CPC, and impressions. Understand what works and what doesn't, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. Our content database helps you manage the status of all your content. From idea to execution, keep every piece of content in check and on track. Need to manage your customer relationships? Our CRM section is built just for that. Track interactions, manage leads, and ensure no customer falls through the cracks. Stay ahead of the game with our competitors section. Analyze your competition, identify trends, and gain insights to stay one step ahead. Emails are crucial for any marketer, and our emails database section keeps all your email campaigns organized and efficient. Finally, unleash your creativity with our brainstorming section. Jot down ideas, plan strategies, and keep the creative juices flowing. And these are just a few of the features our template offers. It's packed with everything you need to streamline your marketing process and drive better results. This Notion template is more than just a tool. It's your all-in-one solution for Facebook marketing success. Simplify your workflow, boost your productivity, and achieve better results with our comprehensive template. Don't miss out on this game changer. Get your Notion template for Facebook ads today and take your marketing to the next level.